welcome to another video. This time it's... No, it's not Orochimaru. I ordered this wig for Aizawa because my old Aizawa wig was not savable. Let's see how that wig actually will look on my head. Okay, I'm looking like BNHA or something like that. Gosh. First thing we are going to do is separate the front hair. Wrapping this with a hair tie. And we're doing the same with the other side. If you notice that there are parts where the hair is very thin so that you can see through, don't worry, just grab some hair from the back and it will be alright.
Beautiful!
So this will be our front layer, the layer where we... Hello!
Hello there!
Where we also cut the Aizawa fringe. What we're gonna do is part away the fringe part. Go in the middle of your eyebrow on both sides and go up. And then we are grabbing a rubber band. And then we go like, adios amigo.
Hasta la vista, baby.
That's it. Here we have our fringe now. And obviously it's very straight. That doesn't look good. So what you can do is take your strand and make small cuts like that. You can also support the V shape of the fringe a bit with taking the pony strand, go with the scissors to your eyebrow height and then just featherly cutting it down. And we don't want it to move anywhere else. We're clipping it to secure it. Grab the bang here. I always set the first cut in height of my nose. And then I just layer it down. And what you get then
It's watermelon!
is that. That is hair which, feathers a bit into your face. And of course on the other side we're doing the same. Now we can open the hair and we can trim what we don't want to have. Always keep in mind the Aizawa wig will be curled. That means a bit of length will vanish into the curls. So don't cut it too short. But he definitely has not that long hair. Mark the line where we want to cut with a rubber band. That will have to go. It looks very cut off right now. Not very good. And I want it to look very natural. So I'm going in with some very lazy cuts. Just that it doesn't have one line anymore. What I'm going to do is cutting some layers. We cut away the volume on the parts we don't need that much. That means up from here we're doing some cuts now. Just grab one strand, take your scissors like so, and then you just go like that. And what you cut away is not much, but you're doing that with a lot of strands now. Very carefully, of course. You don't want to cut like that and have a haircut like that then. When you compare the sides, that's the cut side, when you like go in there and mess it up a bit, it gets much more volume than this side, which is just straight and flat. You always can trim the wigs the way it fits your face shape. And when you see here, the cut is already not too bad, but that can be improved. And for that, I always lay the hair into my face and then I go boldly in. It's always important to go over and over your wig, because when you see that side, yeah, here we have very short hair, and then this hair in comparison is very long. So that was the cutting part. It's very layered now and it already looks very messy, but Aizawa has curls, so the next part will be curling. First we're separating the bangs, because I don't want to curl them. And then we're taking one of those curls section, something from the wig, and I always like to have curls in different directions, which means first we're curling it that way around, and then the second layer we're curling that way around. And it's cute. Oh, by the way, if you don't have curlers, or whatever this is called, take this. It's the same. Just cut it in half and it will work the same way. That's the finished product. And of course, like that, it won't hold. What you need is a blow dryer. And then we're going to blow dry it. The important part on having the locks forever is to let it completely cool down before you open any of those. We're doing the final lock reveal now, and I show you how you can transport your wig for example, a convention. So I think the clips are all gone. So we're taking out the curls now. Yeah. When you are doing locks, don't use a comb with that side. Use that side or your fingers. You can see, by the way, what I meant with it's not the best quality. You can see the wig net through, and that's the finished thing. Now I show you how you can transport that wig. For that I need a hair tie. Removing the clips, replacing them with a rubber band. That part gets a new rubber band too. You take the packaging, taking it off. And what we're gonna do is taking all the hair, like so. Inside the wig, we're taking that, I don't know, shower cap for wigs. I don't know how it's called. And we're pushing it over the wig. And then we're putting it into the bag. And that's it. That's how you can transport it for a convention. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more, let me know in the comment section. You can also subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, I would be glad if you leave me a thumb up. Stay tuned, and until the next time. That was right into my eyes. It's straight. Oh, I got a hair in my eye. Ouch. It's fucking straight. You can't see shit. Sorry.